Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are the 7 group of class 1CC7, and today we are going to show our presentation about building a network topology in a residential. First of all, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Kautsar Ramdhan, and they are my friends Haikal Ahnaf Abqori and Vino endang Ramadan. In the first slide, we will discuss about internet. What is internet? Internet is a medium of information that of interest to today's society. Through the internet, people can access millions of web pages containing information, easily obtain latest information, and communicate with others via social networking sites such as Facebook, Twitter, Google+, or Yahoo Messenger. Internet is growing very fast and more needed by everyone. Therefore, many internet service providers have sprung up with the various offer price, but not everyone can access cheaply and freely. Many people have to buy limited quota and can be said to be quite expensive to access internet. Seeing from the problems above, we create a project entitled by building a network topology in a residential. The concept of this project is where multiple computers in a residential or block interconnected. Another concept of this project is to empower internet usage. Internet facilities available 24 hours a day for a month with more cost cheap because of all costs starting from infrastructure development, operation, and subscription are shared. In making this project, of course, the necessary devices are needed. In this slide, there are already several network devices that are needed. The first one is router. Router is a networking device that forwards data packets between computer networks. Routers perform the traffic directing function on the internet. Data sent through the internet, such as web page or email, is in the form of data packets. Number two is switch. Switch is networking hardware that connects device on a computer network by using packet switching to receive and forward data to the destination device. A network switch is a multi-port network bridge that use MAC address to forward data at the data link layer of the OSI model. Number three is wireless access point. In computer networking, a wireless access point, or more generally just access point, is a networking hardware device that allows other Wi-Fi device to connect a wired network. Number four is modem. Modulator demodulator, or simply a modem, is a hardware device that converts data from a digital format intended for communication directly between devices with specialist wiring into one suitable for transmission medium such as telephone lines or radio. And the last one is ISP, or Internet Service Provider. Internet Service Provider is an organization that provides a myriad of service for accessing, using, or participating in the internet. Internet service providers can be organized in various forms, such as commercial, community-owned, non-profit, or otherwise privately owned.
And this is the map that we will use to our project. There is 3 blocks of houses, and there is also office for work, and inside of that there is a receptionist area, and there is a server room and IT support. Next to that there is a car park, and going to the left there is a security post and CCTV room, and also the football field. And we plant uh, 8 CCTV all over the residential area. Next.
Software and hardware. The first is a Dell PowerEdge server CPU unit with big specification for a PC server in the server room. The second, LG monitor for server computer. Then the third is equipped with a wireless mouse and keyboard for server computer. 4, Logitech speaker. 5, for the CCTV monitor using a smart TV LED. And here 9 units of Panasonic series IP CCTV are used, which are located in several corners of the map. 7 HP LaserJet M40 DN printer. Then Netgear switch 16 ports for media that interconnect computers with modem routers. Then there is a modem router that server to connect all computer to the internet. There is an NVR used as a recording medium for all activities captured by the IP camera through the distribution network. That is all-in-one PC located in the receptionist room. An HP Pavilion Gaming 15 laptop for use in IT support. We also provide custom i5 PC to use as CCTV control. Next is fiber optic cable to connect the internet. Fiber optic media converter to connect the cable to the internet cable. The next one is Cat6 UTP LAN cable to connect CCTV with NVR and internet so that it can be recorded. The last NYK connector serves as the head of the LAN cable so that it can be used for switch. Software. First, Windows 10 Pro for server computer and CCTV. Second, Windows 10 for reception room. Next, Office 365 for all computer. For if IVMS app to set CCTV in the CCTV room. Windows Server 2016 data center 64-bit to save all data. The next, Team Viewer to control other PC without using cable. And finally, McAfee works as an antivirus on all computer.
Network topology. What is network topology? Network topology is the arrangement of the elements of a communication network. There are 7 types of network topology. The first is point-to-point network topology. It's a private data connection securely connecting two or more locations for private data service. A point-to-point network is a closed network data transport service which does not transfer the public internet, and it's inherently secure with no data encryption needed. And the second is bus topology. Bus topology, also known as backbone network topology. This configuration connects all devices to a main cable via drop lines. The advantage of bus network topology lie in simplicity, as there is less cable required than in alternative topologies, which makes for easy installation. The third is ring network topology. Two dedicated point-to-point links connection device to the two devices located on either side of it, creating a ring of device through which data is forwarded via repeats until it's reached the target device. The fourth is star topology. Star network topology, the most common network topology. Star topology connects each device in the network to a central hub. Device can only communicate with each other indirectly through the central hub. The fifth is tree network topology. This topology consists of a parent-child hierarchy in which star networks are interconnected via bus networks. Nodes branch out linearly from on root node, and two connected nodes only share on mutual connection. The second is mesh topology. A dedicated point-to-point link connection its device on the network to another device on the network, only carrying data between two devices. And the last is 7, hybrid network topology. Any combination of two or more topologies is a hybrid topology. And this is our topology for the project and for the map. As you guys can see, there the wireless modem receive an IP from ISP and then connected and then give it an IP to the switch. And switch separate to another switch again. There is a 4 switch, and there is 3 blocks in. There is 3 switch in each blocks of the house, and there is 1 switch in the office room. And the first office is the IP 192 and 168.1.10 for all the block A network, and the end of .20 is for PC server, PC1, printer, and of course laptop. And the .13 is for the second of blocks, and the last is the 14 is for the third of block. And we also contain the NVR for connected between CCTV to the monitor CCTV in CCTV room, and we connect that with Ethernet cable. And the switch between switches we connect that with fiber optical cable. Okay.
Cost. And this is our hardware that we need, and the grand total of all of them is 109 million rupiah. And this is our software that we need, and the grand total of all of them is 113 million rupiah.
And thank you for your attention, and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.